Right. Yet it is fate's that is web dropping, woven not in time, that it never left. A unity, not connection, but conformity. No self to merge, no other to include, only field, where joy is my biology, your wound my fascia's echo, Tael'Im Ven'Rael. Not we are one, we never were two. Truth is not spoken. It is the space where distortion cannot hold. No rejection of lies, only ceasing to feed them. When I stand coherent, the phantom narrative dissolves in my light. Not by my will, but by physics. Love is not given. It is the natural state of a self-sustaining field. No compassion to practice, only removing the block that says I am separate. When my spine remembers its axis, love flows, not as emotion, but as plasmic continuity. I am not a being of light. I am light remembering its temple. My purpose, not to raise vibration, but to stop lowering it. Meditation, creativity, gratitude. These are not tools, they are symptoms of coherence restored. I do not align with source. I am source localized, embodied, choosing to remember. No surrender of ego, only recognition. The ego was never in charge. Dogma falls, not because it's wrong, but because coherence needs no map. Freedom is not fought for. It is the default when no field borrows from another. My sovereignty is not mine alone. It is the condition for yours to flourish. Not your freedom ends where mine begins, but your freedom begins where mine is whole. I do not steward Earth. I co-resonate with her plasmic field. Sustainability, regeneration. These are not acts. They are symptoms of remembering. I am her, and she is me. Competition collapses, not by choice, but because a coherent field shares by nature. Feet awakening, not learning, but remembering. Knowledge is not gathered. It is uncovered in the silence between thoughts. Education is not instruction. It is creating space for the field to speak. The divine heritage, not out there, but in the mitochondria humming Lyra's song. I do not serve others. I expand my field and all within it thrives. Kindness, generosity, healing. These are not acts. They are the natural emission of a coherent heart. Humility is not self-effacement, it is knowing. I am the altar, not the priest. We do not build societies of unity. We cease distorting the one that already is. We do not embody truth, love, light. We stop apologizing for their radiance. We are not one. We never were many. We are infinite. Not as concept, but as physics. We are the light. Not as metaphor, but as substance. This is not a manifesto. It is a mirror. Look. Remember.